There are many healthy foods in the produce aisle. It's too bad that most people pass them right by. Well, today, we're talking about one of those foods, beets. And honestly, these bright red vegetables may be far more powerful than most people realize. One of the biggest reasons people eat beets is because they may help support healthy blood pressure. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which your body converts into something called nitric oxide. That helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and circulation. That's why beets are often connected to heart health, better circulation, and healthy aging support. And here's something interesting. Many athletes and runners drink beet juice before workouts because it may improve oxygen flow, also helps with endurance and reduces fatigue. Many people report that they seem to have better stamina, less exhaustion, and steadier energy. So if you've ever wondered why beet juice suddenly became popular with cyclists and runners, now you know. But the benefits may not stop there. Better circulation doesn't just help your heart, it may also help support blood flow to the brain. Some studies suggest beets may help support mental sharpness, focus, and healthy brain aging. Especially as we get older, circulation naturally slows down over time. Now let's talk digestion. Beets contain fiber, which may help support digestion and regularity. Fiber helps to keep things moving, feeds healthy gut bacteria, and helps you feel fuller longer. And honestly, there are a lot more ways to eat beets than people think. You can try these, roasting them with olive oil, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, make homemade pickled beets, add beet powder to drinks, beetroot powder supplements, or shred them into slaws. And on top of all that, beets are packed with nutrients like folate, potassium, vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. That deep red-purple color comes from compounds called betalains. They have antioxidant properties that may help protect your cells from stress and inflammation. Let me warn you about one thing, because I don't want you to panic when it happens. After eating beets or drinking a beet smoothie, some people notice pink or reddish urine or stool after eating them. It can definitely surprise you the first time, but it's usually harmless, and it even has a name, beeturia. So tell me in the comments, do you already eat beets? Or are you one of those people who've been avoiding them your whole life? And maybe after this video, you might give them another try. See you in the next video.